train stopped. Right here, those air brakes click, kaloon, kaloon. Yeah, we got a Manifest stop right here in Waycross, Georgia, folks. Rail fans. You hear the air going through all this train. Yeah, that's about the closest I can get to a train right here, because this is the city property right here. This grass I'm showing you right here is the city area. It could be backing up, doing the same thing like the other train was doing. But I ain't got to sit here all day, but at least like a Georgia Bulldog right here. But I could be wrong. Don't know what he's doing. I'll give it about a few minutes, and if he starts to move, there's an old CSX boxcar. There's like a string of boxcars going down that way, folks. If you ain't strive the Waycross train spotter, strive the Waycross train spotter, Engineer Scott. We got a Manifest right here stopped on the CSX the CSX Jesup subdivision. Don't know what's going on, but I'm not an engineer, or brakeman, or conductor. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up or give me a like. I might go eat me some seafood, not seafood, but some decent food. I was going to leave with you. I don't like he's going to move, folks, but he should be moving shortly. Waycross train spotter, wait for that train to move. Wait for that train to brakes a squeak. Squeak, 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 squeak. But like ain't nothing going to happen. Oh well, my luck. Well, at least I got me a train, that's all I can say. But at least I was blessed with a train today. Like I say, have a blessed day. Well, I was surely blessed with the day. I don't say blessed, I could say blessed from above, but blessed to see a CSX train. But at least the train did stop. But I don't know when he's going to move, but can't hear wait all day. But at least he stopped right now. If you like my videos, go and subscribe to my channel, Waycross Train Spotter. So I'm fishing to cut it off. Oh Lord, I hear another train coming. Hey, there's a train, another train a-coming. I hear another train a-coming. And there's one right there in front of me. Train, train, train. Well, you can tell I'm back in high spirits. Got to keep this train going, but I don't know where he's going to go. But if he ain't, I'm fishing to cut it off because I don't know when he's going to move. Y'all have a blessed day, and Engineer Scott out, Waycross Train Spotter. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.